Hi friends, I hope you are doing great. So today is a weekly expiry. I have traded in Nifty. So before we get into today's market analysis, let us try to understand what has been happening from last couple of days. So there was one important news that is running in the market right now is the US debt ceiling. So it has been one of the worrying factor not just for US market but also for the all global markets. So even the US markets were pretty volatile till the before yesterday. But yesterday we saw the US markets have been performed extremely well and closed very positively. So when we look into the Indian markets, here you can see on the chart I have taken Nifty on a daily time frame. So last 3 days was continuously a red candles. So one of the reason for this is the US debt ceiling. Looking at the yesterday's US market performance, so I was pretty confident that Indian markets today will definitely trade on a positive side. And also today there was a SBI quarterly result which was expected to come on a positive side. So putting all these things together, I was pretty confident on the positive side on Nifty today. But let's see what was happened actually today. So now I'm applying a 5 minute time frame on the chart. So here you can see this is a opening candle. Though the opening candle was in red, but the next immediate green candle has given me a confidence that Nifty is gonna trade on the upside. But looking at the Bank Nifty's performance today, I was sure that Nifty gonna break 18,500 level in today itself, because even the Asian markets were trading on a very good positive side. So what I did was right at 9:20, looking at this second green candle, I have shorted 18,200 puts. I was having a very good conviction that market will close above 18,300 for sure. But here you can see from 9:30 onwards what has happened. So there was continuously a very good fall and three red candles in a row, which actually made the premiums to almost gets doubled. But just because of the strong conviction that I had on a positive side, I was still holding the put positions. But again, Nifty was not able to move on upside because of the bears dominance today. Nifty was not having the enough strength to trade on the upside. So I think somewhere around 10 o'clock I had to forcefully exit 18,200 puts with a very good loss, because I was not anymore confident on the upside. Even right at 10 o'clock, the Bank Nifty was trading almost more than 0.5% on the positive side. But again, from 10 o'clock, as you can see here, till 12 o'clock, there is a good amount of consolidation. This range, Nifty has taken a couple of times support on the 20 period moving average, which was a sign that Nifty will reverse from this 20 period moving average. But from 12 o'clock, there is no stop for Nifty fall. Here you can clearly see that when the Nifty broken this 20 period moving average, there is no turn back on the upside. It is just a one side fall. And though there was a slight consolidation happened from 1 to 2 o'clock, so even during this period, Nifty has got very good resistance from this 20 period EMA. And when I exit from 18,200 put in the morning, so I had shifted to 18,150 puts. But again, during this fall, I couldn't able to even hold that position. Even 18,150 puts also, I had to book a huge loss. And again, stayed 18,100 put. So during this fall, I tried to shift it again from 18,300 to 18,250, and again from 250 to 200 as well. Today's market is a pretty volatile day, which is very tough for, I believe, for directional traders and as well as for non-directional traders, because when you see here candles like this, initially it has broken towards the lower side, but again it has gained its strength and given a signal of reversal. But again, as you can see, there is a fall from here. So this is definitely a challenging day to even to do adjustments or to stay on the same positions despite the market fall. It was a very tough. The India VIX also fallen and was trading less than 13. So the premiums are very cheap, and when we see candles like this, and just like that, the premiums will become a 2x, 3x, and no surprise in the premium spikes. And also one more surprising thing is, despite the SBI result was very good, but not sure why the SBI has fallen more than 2% in today's market. Even this is also one reason where I had a good amount of conviction that if SBI result was very good, the market will turn and will trade on a very good positive side. But all the views whatever I had today was everything failed. Before 10 o'clock itself, I was in a loss of minus 25,000. So then I decided control my loss and to fight against the market, not to get into profits, at least to minimize my loss. So this is how today's nifty movement in the market. Let me show my order book for today. So here you can see these are the strikes that I have traded today. So here you can see 18,200 put, which actually gave me an almost 20,000 loss, and again 18,150 PE as well, which actually gave more than 30,000. So these two strikes was definitely a very good hit for me, just because I was confident on the upside, but the market movement was completely opposite of my view. So overall, I have made a 9,000 loss. But looking at the market today, it was definitely a challenging day for option sellers, and even I have not traded with a full capacity. So that also one thing which actually helped me not to get into a huge loss. So that's all for today. I hope you had a good expiry. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.